Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over the E43 error code on your Bosch washing machine from 2025 models, don't worry. We're diving straight into what it means and how to fix it. I'm your guide to getting your laundry routine back on track without the hassle. First off, the E43 error code typically signals an issue with the water level or pressure sensor in your Bosch washing machine. This could mean your machine isn't detecting the right amount of water, possibly due to a faulty sensor, a blocked inlet valve, or even low water pressure from your home supply. It's a common problem, but the good news is that it's often fixable at home. Let's break down the possible causes. One culprit might be a kinked or clogged water inlet hose, which prevents proper water flow. Another could be a malfunctioning pressure switch that's not reading the water levels correctly. In some cases, it's as simple as a buildup of limescale or debris inside the machine. Now, for troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washing machine and turning off the water supply for safety. Check the inlet hose for any bends or blockages and ensure it's securely connected. Next, inspect the filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the machine, and clean out any lint or debris. If that doesn't work, you might need to test the pressure sensor with a multimeter, but only if you're comfortable with basic electronics. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more serious problem like a faulty control board or a worn-out pump. In that case, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid any risk of electrical damage. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your machine every few months can prevent errors like E43 from popping up. By following these tips, you'll have your Bosch washing machine running smoothly again in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair hacks. See you next time.